We were together for 3.5 years, and then we moved to Austin, Texas. But the problem with that was it was the number one city in America to live in, and it was so expensive, and we didn't have the skills to keep up with bills, so we went into debt. And that eventually broke up the relationship.
Yeah.
And I would never want that to happen to me again with any future girl or just in general.
I mean, remember though, right? If you read research basically on divorces, and you weren't married obviously, but one of the number one reasons people get basically divorced is because of money. Money is like a stressful thing.
This is exactly what happened to me, so I don't ever want it to happen again.
Yeah. So my advice is this, man: don't build a house of cards. Stay away from the game of like I want to play a game where it sounds like I'm making money, but when things go wrong, I gotta go back to zero. And you don't want to go back to zero. Like you had a girlfriend, you had an apartment. You don't want to restart every single time when you mess up, because guess what? Messing up is a part of the game. So build a game where everything is in your favor. I'm Marco. Let me upgrade my skill, get a better job that I actually like, I enjoy. I'm there. I'm making money. All right, that money's there. If I want to do a business on the side, that's fine. Also, I'm using my money to invest it, for example, into things I understand, whether that's real estate, whether that's into ETFs or index funds. You can't be a part-time investor. It's like a full-time thing.
You've got to start at the bottom if you're ever gonna reach the top. You've gotta watch all the seeds you sowed.